Hello, Lake Forest educators. Mr. Brown here, and you know that because you would never forget this beautiful face. Anyway, seriously, thank you for a good assembly. Thanks for bringing your kids into the assembly, and hopefully they had some good, they heard some good messages, and they are applying some things in the classroom, especially this. That would be amazing. And please, if they do it on a regular basis, give them a big smile like this. Look, I enjoy partying with your school. I'm looking forward to coming back for family night. I know it may not be a part of your contract, but it'd be awesome if you came to family night, whatever date we choose to have it on, because it'll be great time to interact with the kids and their parents. And what I call it a shared experience. It's not so much about their grades or their behavior. It's coming together to have some laughs, some games we'll play, and we'll be able to just interact with each other in a way that's great. I'm currently in Minnesota. I just did a family night last night. Had an amazing turnout of teachers and of parents. It was about an hour long, and I tell you what, I think we planted some great seeds of just some fun together, some shared experiences. At one point, the principal played his mom again the game, and the kids were just laughing, and the kids were actually cheering for the mom over the principal. The principal, well, I've never had kids cheer against me, but it was fun. It was a great time. So I want to duplicate that at your school. Do something a little different, but your school have family night. So please come out. Also, please, I think you have the video library available to you. If you did get that email, just go to lakeforest.thechoosewellprogram.com and then sign in, and you can start showing the videos once a week to your students, or maybe twice a week. If you want to show the same video twice in 1 week, it'd be a great way for them to follow up what they heard. Anyway, look forward to partnering with you in the future. Please come out to family night and do me one more favor. If you have a moment, or take a moment, please, it'll help with seeing the impact of the program. Visit thechoosewellprogram.com/feedback and fill out the form and give us some feedback. Good, bad, ugly, or in between. I don't know, I like it all, but it's good for us to get that feedback as an organization so we can try to find sponsors and funding, and even for your school to find funding and say, hey, this program is working, kids are listening. I'd love to hear from you as educators, because you're in the front line with the kids every single day. So thanks again, and look forward to seeing you again in the future. And never forget, when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah.